Go where?
Action.
Action. So, here's our latest update. Look right here. So we found the problem with why we couldn't get the car to be consistent. We had some breakage right here, actually in the center part of the frame. So we cut it all out, put bigger tubing in it, re-gusseted, and strengthened that up. Tire shake is a motherfucker. And my poor wrap guy, who's gonna wrap the car, is on his way, and he has no idea right now how bad. He's almost here, isn't he?
I think so.
Well, he has no idea that we're nowhere near ready for him to wrap the car. We ain't got the windows in it. We ain't got jack shit. Uh-oh. Well, so, he's fixing to find out that what that whole out of time thing. Oh, that is our wrap guy. Yep.
Yeah, I thought we'd kicked that to the curb.
What?
Oh, out of time. So we're supposed to be in Ohio in 3 days. We need to leave.
3 days?
Well, we gotta leave it. We need to leave at noon tomorrow. I don't even have our home away from home ready to roll.
Oh no, car's out. I mean, we've got the car completely tore apart. Had to take all the electronics out of it so we could fix that. Which, I got it ain't gonna break now. We just we added a lot of bars. Well, we didn't really add bars, but we put bigger diameter bars. Oh, you just see how bad he got fucked on this deal. Yeah, guy's been busting his ass getting his wrap and everything ready, and pretty much, as you guys can see, car ain't really ready to wrap. And where's he from? Kansas?
Wichita Falls, Texas.
Oh, well, he is not gonna be impressed. What's happening, Bo?
See.
You look like you're in a good mood.
Oh yeah, great mood.
We ain't ready.
You ain't ready.
Fuck no, we ain't ready.
Sun's going down.
So when Stacy lied and said we'd be ready by mid-afternoon,
Yeah.
that was before this happened. We found the whole bottom of the car was broke. So we had to cut all the bottom of out of the car, all the chassis out of it, and re-weld it. But I have lights.
We're gonna need them. Sun's going down.
Ah.
I brought a good one too, so
Huh?
we can get it done no matter what. We got it.
That's good. See, he is so excited about
He's
this.
so positive
Yeah,
about
I
it.
fucking love it. 'Cause I told Stacy goes, he can be here tomorrow to wrap it. I said, there ain't no fucking way. I said, what time you got him coming? She goes, I told him late afternoon. I said, well, let's hope we can make it. But I think all we got to do, we're fixing to set the windows back in it, and then you can start laying it out if you want.
I'm ready. I'm ready to put some vinyl on it. Can't wait.
I love how fucking excited you are about this, brother. Of all the people that's wrapped it, you are the most excited.
Oh, I'm excited.
Landon was pretty excited about it, but you're way excited, and I like that.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
It's been a lot. That wrap's been. Kate did that, 2 years ago. I just, because of all this tire shake shit, I didn't want to put the fucking wrap on it and just
Right.
destroy the wrap.
Yeah, don't blame me. You make sure it's all good before we do it.
I didn't
Nice
say
and
it was
pretty.
all good. I just said we've shook the tires and we're close. But there is no way I'm not saying it's not going to shake the tires. Matter of fact, well, you know, one year when we were racing on the street all the time, literally I had to replace the doors, front end, everything on the car every year. One year we did MPK and the street deal just before I quit, I think. And when we pulled the front end off the car for the last time and set it down, it imploded. The only thing that helped was holding that car together, I swear to God, was the wrap.
Wow.
The wrap was holding that fucking
Like
thing
a
down.
Band-Aid.
Oh, it blew the fucking door off of it one time.
Oh, dang.
It shook it shook up at some place. And
Pacemaker.
I pedaled it and stuck it again. The fucking door went 25 feet up in the air. Skidded down the racetrack. Wrap held the whole thing together. We're taping everything on the inside so we don't fuck the wrap up.
Right?
Yeah.
The Gorilla Tape.
Hey, I still got the front end down there, dude. And I'm telling you, you pick it up, it's like a spaghetti noodle.
That's crazy.
And the wrap held it together.
Wow.
That's the other thing. Once these things are wrapped, when they start breaking shit, you can't see it.
Yeah, it holds it together.
Yeah,
It's
it
gotta
does.
go
It
Band-Aid.
literally is a big fucking band-aid.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Probably should have put one in there somewhere.
Right.
All right, well,
Yeah,
Hey.
no, I'm excited.
kill this video. Fuck, I done told off on myself. I'm gonna blame it all on Stacy. Stacy said we was gonna be ready,
That's all right.
but we'll get the windows in it and get out of your way so you can
Sweet.
start laying this thing out. How's that?
I'm ready.
All right,
do it.
brother.